What is up, YouTube? I am back. I know. But let me just tell y'all. Let me put some light up in there. No light. But let me just tell y'all. I'm back and I'm coming back stronger than ever. It's been way too long. It's been what, like let me guess, like 3 months? Like 3 months without this shit? Shoot, man. 3 months. And I am back. So let me tell y'all what I've been doing. Let me take you this way. So, what I've been doing is, let me tell you guys this. First off, we are back from quarantine. We're in the shop, okay? That's a good thing, you guys. That is a great thing. And I enjoy being at the shop with everybody that, you know, I cut with, and everybody's great, you know? I'm doing good, life's good, everything's good. Throughout the quarantine, I was just playing games, you know, playing video games, not playing games, playing video games. Yeah. And also just been chilling, you know, chilling with my girl, doing stuff around the house. Not really, no. But yeah, dude, like, so I just been playing video games, you know, just doing all this. I bought a PC. Let me show you this real quick. Hold on. I bought a PC. I don't know if you guys can see, there's a lot of cords around here. I gotta get that situated. But man, this is my setup right here, dude. So I have been, man. So lately I've been gaming a lot, man, and I'm trying to, honestly, man, since I've been gaming a lot, I just want to take it to the next level. So I've been streaming a lot lately. I don't know if you guys been, you know, watching it or anything. I'm still deciding if I should do it on YouTube or Twitch. So I do like playing video games a lot. I've been playing a lot of Call of Duty, you know, Warzone. I've been playing, you know, 2K a little bit here and there. That game sucks, by the way. If you guys do, hey, if you guys do want to play with me, down below your gamer tag, or matter of fact, I'll just put it somewhere right around this area, because I know most of y'all probably do want to play with me. You guys do play Call of Duty. I do. And but yeah, man, my Twitch, it's the same as my Instagram, so I will put it in the description below. It's honestly, I stream from like around like 7:30ish to like maybe 10, 11. Yeah, I do post on my Instagram that I will be streaming on my story, so make sure you guys check that out a lot, because I am gonna be posting a lot on Instagram. You guys are here for the haircut, right? Most of you guys are, but some of y'all are here because you guys want to know what I'm doing in my life, you know, because you guys actually care about me and you guys want to know what I'm doing. So I appreciate y'all for that, man. So in this video, in the haircut video, I am doing a low mid drop fade. The dude, he has I guess in a bun, but he puts it up. It's long, you know, it's long enough to get braided. He didn't get cut at all once throughout the quarantine, once. And let me tell you guys this, man. To the people that stay loyal to their barbers, man, y'all are some real ones, man. Y'all deserve, man, an applause, man. An applause. Because, like, man, like, I know, if you guys are gonna stay loyal through 3 months without getting a haircut throughout the entire quarantine, you guys deserve a medal, man. I appreciate y'all. I love you. I didn't stay loyal. I still love y'all regardless, you know, but real MVPs are the ones that stay loyal. Stay for the end of the video, y'all. I do appreciate y'all watching my videos and everything. A lot of you guys have been asking what I've been doing. That's what I've been doing. I know you guys have been waiting on a video, and I'm so sorry for that. Sorry for the wait, but the wait was worth it. What's going on, y'all? So for this one, I'm gonna have my comb. I'm just gonna comb out the hair because I want all of his hair to be all one length. Because when you just think about it like a pick, it's just gonna pick out the hair, so everything's all nice one length, so you don't have to get it tangled up. But I also did forget to do the turnaround in the beginning of the video. I'm sorry about that, guys, because I just forgot. But so for this part right here, we have a one guard, a purple magnetic one guard. I'm gonna be going with the grain. Sorry if it's blurry or anything. I haven't really done a video in a while. It's been like 3 months, so just cut me some slack, y'all. So I am doing a one with the grain, just to take off the bulk on the sides. Just do that all around. Make sure that is even and short as it could be. Or I guess it's a one, so not as short as it could be, but a one with the grain, and just make sure it's smooth and all even. next part, I have my cordless wall detailers. I'm going to be doing a mid drop fade on him. So I am starting the ball line at the temple and I'm working my way back down the occipital bone. Make sure that your ball line is straight, because I always tell you guys this in most of my videos. If your guidelines are straight, then the blend would be straight, and that is an important thing, especially in cutting hair and in blending. And also, I know you guys can see that I am going to be wearing a mask right here. It's because of, you know, the whole COVID-19 pandemic. We have to be, you know, precautious of everything, so we have to do that social distancing and whatnot. But I want to know how you guys are doing with this whole pandemic. If you guys are doing well or whatever, just comment down below, you know, because I am concerned. I do want to know. Just comment below and let me know how you guys are doing. Sorry, I had to put the gloves on. You know, I had to show you guys safety first, right? Okay, back to it. So I have my seniors now, and I have the lever all the way open. I'm going to be making my guideline about 1/2 inch to 1 inch, you know, length or wide, either or. You know what I mean. Make sure that it is straight. It doesn't look straight right there, but I am eventually gonna make it straight. Make sure that it is straight, and yeah, you guys should you know, follow these steps. It's important. On to the next step. I have my wall seniors. I'm gonna be closing that lever all the way closed to take out the bottom line that I made with my wall detailers. The reason why I'm doing the close first is so I can take out the line. A lot of people, they do like halfway and they have their own style. I always tell people this in all of my videos. Everybody has their own technique and style. You just have to find yours. So hopefully by you guys learning off of me, you will find your own technique. So, but in the meantime, you know, just keep learning, y'all, and you know, I'm happy to help. On to the next step. I have my wall 1 guard. I have the lever all the way open. I am going to be making a guideline, or somewhat of a guideline. So when you have a 1 guard and you go with the grain, usually if you do a 1 guard against the grain, it's not going to make another line. It's just going to clean it up. It makes things lighter. It's not really, you know, as you can see right here, it's not really making any difference or making a guideline. It's just lightening it up. So, but you can still, you should try and still make another guideline just so you can follow your guides. For me, I know at a point like where to cut, but for newcomers and, you know, the beginners, just follow your guidelines. So now I have my 0 guard. I'm gonna be doing the lever halfway just so I can lighten it up. It's not gonna take out the line completely. It's just gonna lighten it up so I can see where and what I have to do to make the next step. So what I mean by making it lighter is it's just gonna make that line not as dark, but then when it does lighten up, I am gonna go close and just get the rest of that darkness out, so that way it gives it that blurry look. A lot of people, you know, they play with their levers a lot. I play my levers just because I have my own style. Like I told you guys before, just find your style and keep learning, y'all. You guys will find it. Trust me, you guys will find it. And yeah.
So for the hairline, his hairline or his hair is really long at the hairline part. So I am going to be combing the hair down, and I am going to be taking it down with a 1 with the grain, just because the shorter the hair is on top, it's going to make it easier for me to set that line in when I do line them up. So make sure that you don't always have to do a 1. I'm doing a 1 right now because I did a 1 on the sides. So it's all based on how long the client's hair is on top. That's what you want to do. So for the most important part of the haircut, you want to make sure that your lineup is straight. So in order to make it straight, what I do is I start from the middle. I work my way from side to side, because if you start in the middle, it gives you that base, so that way one side would not be higher than the other. Because sometimes people, one side is always higher than the other. I don't care what your hairline type is. It is rare to have somebody's natural line be very straight, but there's always one side that's higher. Because say if one side is higher and you start off on that side, then you're gonna have to match the other side, which is lower, and then you have to really, then that's basically, you have to push them back a lot. So if you start from the middle, and then makes it even throughout the entire forehead. So make sure that you guys keep that in mind. You start from the middle, then work your way from side to side.